Just casually. Look how fucking pretty this shit is, man. You're telling me that that doesn't look like fucking veins and capillary beds, and this is like an artery or skeletal system, and shit's just mad pretty. Mad pretty. Yeah, I'm emotionally quitting with, I think I'm quitting with trading, and it's really funny because quitting with trading is, I think, what's going to make me profitable by doing so. Oh look, there's a in the wild, eating the grass. If we sneak up, we can scare him. I can go. This is like how I like to spend my mornings. Fuck, sitting at a computer screen is shit, mate. Trading's just shit. I finally come to the conclusion after years and years of looking at charts that it's shit. Like, why the hell does anybody want to do that? It just don't make sense. I suppose people do that anyway for work, but we're just not fucking put on this planet to stare at screens, which is irony because I'm staring at a screen now talking to this thing. But yeah, I'm quitting trading. So like today, I didn't wake up on time to go trading because I've just come to the conclusion I don't enjoy it. Now I'm back doing physio in a really good reputable clinic. The money that I'm making there is second to none. We're still on a trial, 3-month trial, so I'm not making any like liquid cash at the minute. We're just forecasting business modules to see like negotiating rates and what's coming in, what's going out. So, but I mean, on average, I'm looking at about £300 to £500 a day just from working there. So I can do that, work 4 days a week, and then just enjoy the rest of my time living life of pups. So yeah, I love the physio stuff. Trading's just boring and a bit fucking shit. So anybody that says differently is because they're too emotionally positive about making the money and stuff, which is led from greed, which is one of the 7 deadly sins. So again, not something that aligns with me in this journey in life. But so yeah, dragged myself out of bed this morning, 2 hours late to check the markets, see a setup happening, missed entry, managed to pull back and get a good entry on it, and trusted my higher time frame analysis from Big Drapes, so bless up him and all of his teachings. That's his Instagram handle, give him a follow. Trusted in the higher time frame analysis today, and was just like, yeah, price is bound to push up at this point and sweep the highs of yesterday, and it did exactly that. So just kind of, but as soon as I got entry, usually I would sit there and try and manage the trade and do this and do that and just stare at the screen, and it's just fucking shit, mate. I hate it. I hate the way it makes me feel. I hate the emotional drive that comes from it. So I was just like, do you know what, fuck it, the trade's there, I'm not looking at this anymore, because I can't express how negative it makes me feel sitting in those trades. The setup appeared, setup was clean, higher time frame clean, everything was there. So just fucking enter and fuck off, because just fell out of love with it. Look, we've got puppies there. We're gonna run away. Up here. Whoa! And off he fucks. So yeah, that's today's vlog. Got a day off today. Gonna go back to my yoga studio in about an hour. I'm gonna check into the new clinic just because a few staff members aren't there, so just want to make sure that Jilly, the receptionist, is lovely, business is running nice and smooth, and then yeah, head back home. So cool, that's me out probably just get little snapshots of the day today. I'll do one trade analysis of the trade today, and then that's it. Peace out.
Yo, hello. We're just going to run through today's trade. So, hear the good music. That noise is like heaven. So, this is a second setup here, which we'll leave that on there. I'll just log in that. So, our setup is over here. This is the trade that we took over here, so we want to go over there. Two lows happened. No. Okay, prices came down. Two lows. It's inside this wick here. So price has already wicked here. It's taken out two lows and done a market structure shift. The market structure shift here has ended up taking out this swing high here and a swing high there. So because these swing highs were taken on this push up, we're looking, this is valid entry for retracement and to buy in. So again, you just sit your limit there, underneath there, and go for a 1 to 2 up here. I actually aimed for this fair imbalance here, risked just over 1% for this trade, so that's 1%. So I ended up getting like just 2% in total today, just because of the gold trade that I took. But as you can see, it's quite simple. Price is on its way down. It's printed two lows, which then has market structure shift with a fair value gap, taking out swing highs. Room for entry, comes down, takes off, and if you left it there, you could have still stayed stuck in the trade, but you were 3 pips, 3 points away, and then you could have got your 1 to 2, or it did end up coming and touching that target there. So again, setup was there. We can have a quick look at this little wick here on the M1 just to see what the hell is going on down there. So yeah, huge wick there, just liquidating everybody's price. So very unlikely price is going to come all the way back down to this wick just at that point. But if we put a little line on there and go back to the M5, yeah, so price came down to the freshest low on the line chart. Again, big up Drapes for teaching me to use the line chart. See, line chart low, which is true price, and we've got a low here. So price on that fair value gap here, the low that was taken, had to take out a significant low to then take out some highs. So that's it. And as you can see here, same thing's happened again. Let's pull that all the way down there to see as this low has swept, what sort of positions it has swept, and it's basically swept all of this. So from this point there, all the way, so all of these lows, this low, this low, this low, this low, the wick, all of them lows have been swept. Beautiful setup today. Again, higher time frame analysis stuff, making this shit possible. There we go. And again, you've got some lows being set, shift in market structure change. This swing high has been taken out in that push up. It's also closed above that structure, so strong sign for market structure shift. Set your fair value gap, set your limit, stop loss, TP. So at that point here of entry, you're probably looking for some of these lows to come out, or this imbalance there, which is a 1 to 2. Again, you can aim for this target up top, which I think price is likely to take out, depending on how the day is closing. Yeah, so I'd expect price to potentially want to push up a little bit more. It's a nice strong close. It'll be buys again tomorrow. And this pairs Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're looking at the log, this is what it's going to look like. From a log point of view, you've got 2 swing lows for confidence in the setup. Price here has swept these lows and closed back inside. So this swoop here has taken out these lows there and then closed back inside. It's closed above that market structure shift there as well, and it's taken out the swing highs here and here. Max target is this little gem there, and main target as always is the 1 to 2. not getting greedy into traders, in, out, shake it all about, do what your mama tells you. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the setups for today. Gold was, what was gold? Gold was a 1 minute scalp. Gold was cheeky. Probably shouldn't have. I know I was going to pause this to try and find the trade. And we're back. So yeah, this was the gold setup. Low here, market structure shift at that point. It's taking out this swing high here. So I literally just fucking went enter, stop loss, like that. And I literally just pulled out at this high here. So as soon as price did that, I was like, cool, yep, we are out of here. And I think I did that. And then I was just seeing where price was coming out of. So I see it reacting out of this area here. And I just thought, you know what, I'm going to go for this. So it was a low risk trade, but I managed to get, I think 0.3% in total off of that. So yeah, that was that trade. Wherever it's gone, I don't know, it's got too much data. Yeah, here. So that was it. Price came down, shift of structure. This is like the perfect candle formation. Here, this one, that one, that. So yeah, loads of love. That's it. Good trading day.
This little bitch. You gonna be nice? You gonna be nice? Oh, she's tolerating it. Little pooty. Hello, pooty. Hello, pooty. Oh. She usually hates me. Oh, you know. You mean this today? Nope, I think I pissed her off. You're glad that I cancelled on Saturday? Oh, that's not very nice. Get cats, they say, it would be fun. Spreen. I don't think Ash is impressed.
No.
I don't think the doggy likes shop there, Spreen. Oh, is that Pooty?
Tiffy. Mini. Me. I'm complaining.
Fucking cats. Don't make a mess up there, Spreen.
But that's her speciality though.
I'll fucking bite her.